So let me show you how to operate this machine. Now we can see the machine is already in working status. So if I change different option in the machine, here the time, the flow, or the concentrator, or the volume, you press the optional
remaining
key.
time.
First, it will show you the remaining time. You can increase
85 minutes,
or
80
lower,
minutes, 70,
decrease
70 minutes.
the using time. You want to how long time you want to use. We press again.
Voice setting.
They will control the speaker volume.
Middle volume, high volume, middle volume, low volume.
Okay. If I press again,
NI setting.
that means the negative ionic generator working status.
NI on.
Now its generator is working.
NI off.
Is off. The stop to working. Stop to produce the ionic.
Flow setting.
The flow setting. Flow setting means
2 liter.
you want to increase or decrease the flow. When you increase the
3
flow,
liter.
you can maximum
4
set
liter,
to
5 liter.
5 liter per minute. The concentration will be lower to 40%. If you want to reduce
4, 3 liter, 2 liter, 1 liter.
with 1 liter, the emission, the concentration is 92%. This is the highest concentration. So this is very easy to operate. So we finish this part. Thank you.